Today, I'm sharing with you a very special chicken 65 biryani, crisp on the outside, moist and tender inside. It's very soft, juicy, and it's made with boneless chicken. Perfect for family lunches and weekend cravings. So let's get cooking together.
Okay, so let's start by marinating the chicken with some ginger garlic paste. I will leave the complete details in the description below. Now we add some corn flour, some rice flour, some freshly crushed pepper, some red chili powder to taste, some turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt according to taste, some finely crushed green chili, some curry leaf. If you wish to add an egg over here, you can add. Now let's give this a good mix and leave it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can add a pinch of red color. This is optional. You can avoid it, or if you want, you can also add some Kashmiri red chili powder for color. You can also add a drizzle of lemon juice just to moisten the flour. Okay, now we leave this aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, now while the chicken is marinating, let's prep our rice. For this, heat a pan with a little bit of oil. This oil is the same oil which I fried the onions. To this, I'm also adding some ghee, clarified butter. When the oil is hot enough, add some old spices like cardamom, a big black cardamom, some shahi jeera, cloves, and some bay leaf. I've added some soaked basmati rice. This is about 2 cups of soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for about almost an hour. Let's give this a good mix. Now I'm adding about 3 cups of hot water. We allow this to cook till the rice is about 90% done. Add salt to taste. Make sure that the rice water is well salted. Put a lid on and allow this to cook. You can see that the rice is almost 80% done. We can switch off the flame and drain out the excess water now. Okay, now let's fry the chicken. I'm going to heat a pan and add some oil to this. You can even deep fry the chicken, but I'm just going to shallow fry it because this is chicken breast and you don't want the meat to dry out too much. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. To make the sauce for the biryani masala, heat a pan, add some oil, add some finely chopped onion, once the onions have slightly turned brown, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we add some powder masalas, the same masala powders that we had marinated the chicken with: chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, some garam masala powder, and biryani masala powder. Now to this we add 2 small finely chopped tomatoes. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of well-beaten yogurt, curds, make sure when you add the yogurt or the curds, the flame is not very high. Now once you see the oil beginning to separate and coming onto the surface, we add our fried chicken. Check for the seasoning and add a little bit of salt to taste. And finally some chopped mint and coriander leaves. And now we get on to the last step to assemble our biryani. Now in a heavy bottom pan, I'm going to steam or, as we say, give dum to the biryani. So I'm going to layer it with the meat and the rice.
And here it is, the biryani is ready. Looking at the steam, the fluffy rice and the chicken 65 layered with flavor. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious cooking videos. See you soon with another tasty recipe. Until next time, bye-bye. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.